Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, right headlight does not work, guys. Check it out. Right headlight does not work. Low beams. Okay, let me go again and show you. We'll show you guys which fuse is for that. Now, we're going to have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, so please, guys, give a like, give a subscribe for all the work we do. Now, let me show you guys. Okay, we need to go ahead and locate the fuse box. You have one fuse box under the hood, one behind the glove box. So how you remove the one under the hood? That's where our fuse will be. Okay, let me show you these two things. Squeeze them towards each other, okay, and pull it out. Now you can see, guys, okay, this is your layout, okay, right here. And when you put it this way, okay, excuse me, this way, right here, the layout is the same, okay, as the one here. Now we need to locate fuse number 143, okay, 143, this fuse right here. So if you look at it, it's next to that big relay. So easiest way usually to remove that probably will be to remove the relay, but you can grab it with the fuse puller. Okay, shake it a little bit gently and pull it out. Okay, I'll grab the new one quick. Okay, let me grab the new fuse quick. Okay, and let me show you guys how you test them. You can find in the description of the video below where we get our parts, fuses, all that stuff from for a really good price. If you have a voltmeter, guys, set it on continuity. When the fuse is good, it's going to make connection like it's one circuit, so it's going to go to 0. If it's blown, it will show 1. So check out the new fuse now. It's going to show, okay, 0, so great. Now we want to make sure that we install a good fuse and make sure that the problem will be fixed after that. If not, we'll have a problem somewhere else. So you can see right here, align it, push it in all the way. Now let me go ahead, okay, turn the lights on and see if that actually fixed our problem. Yep, you can see both of the headlights work. So Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.